Welcome, my name is Mark Lenio, and today we're going to be doing the unboxing video for the ViewSonic HealthFlex Kiosk. And we have multiple options when it comes to the kiosk. We have 24-inch, 24-inch touch, as well as 27-inch options. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of our 27-inch. And behind me, I have all that comes with it when you purchase one of our HealthFlex kiosks. To my left comes the stand, which is our STND 059. To my right, we have our VP2768, which is going to be the display for the kiosk, as well as the NMP 520W, which is going to be the media player that sits right inside of the base. We do have an option here for a hand sanitizer, which is, once again, we'll have recommendations within the video for links which you can purchase, which can be both liquid or a solid when it comes to hand sanitizer. You're going to need a box cutter, a normal screwdriver, Phillips, or you can do a preferred screwdriver, a power drill if you prefer. And then, of course, a wrench. Without further ado, we're going to get right to the unboxing. We recommend having 2 people with an average build time of 30 minutes to be able to complete this.